Hey beauties, Andrea. Alright, so yes, it has been 2 months since I started the challenge of only using oils as stylers for the next 2 months. Started on the 21st or the 20th of November. And now I'm ending 2 months straight with only using oils as stylers. Yes, oils are stylers, but I mean without no lotions or creams, curling creams, nothing like that. Yeah, I did a whole video, so I do not want to be repeating the same things I've said in that video in this video, so I'm going to leave that video down below of tips and which oils I liked best, which oils I didn't. I'm going to leave that video again down below, and that is the 1 month update. So this is the 2 months update and the finished update, and this is going to be the last one because no, I'm not going to continue because number one, you do not get the results that you're looking for when it comes to styling in a wash and go. Yeah, so you don't get it. So that's a part that I really missed like so much. I couldn't wait to see my hair curly in a way that's actually curly, not waves, because oils make my hair wavy for the most part of the time, and the only time it didn't make my hair wavy is when I left it out to dry. I applied the oils and left it out all the way out to dry in a wash and go, and it curled a little bit, but it wasn't the curls that I wanted. But in other ways, anything that I did most likely just made my hair wavy. Like, it really made my hair wavy and no tangles, like I said in the previous video, which is a good thing. The no tangles for textured hair is kind of a good thing when it comes to like sleeping time. That's an observation that I made. Always seeing length. Yes, I know I told you guys I was going to focus on length. No, I'm not going to measure my hair. I'm going to show you guys how long it is because of course it's straight. That's what I meant when I said that. This is my belly button. It's past my belly button. Yes, I already trimmed my hair. Every time I straighten my hair, which happens 3 times a year, I trim it. I have to use it on color. My belly button is right here. It's, I don't know, see, half an inch under my belly button. That's as far as growth. Layers are completely grown, and I just cut a little bit today, just a little bit. So I'm still gonna have layers, but they're gonna be long layers. I don't have no short layers. They're all gone. Use oils. You're always gonna be seeing length. I feel like it does stretch your hair a little bit, especially when it comes to styling. You're always gonna be seeing that your hair is like long, and if it grows, you're gonna kind of see it, and not always have that shrinkage that you have when you use lotion and creams to style your hair. Because when your hair is like curly, you don't see that much of a difference when it comes to length, but when you're using only oils to style your hair, you kind of see it all the time, especially for my layers because it was growing and really fast, to be honest. It made it easier to do different hairstyles. Easier to braid, again, because less texture. And since my hair does not curl starting from my roots, my hair's curly but it doesn't start from my roots. It doesn't curl much in my roots. It kind of wavy and then it starts curling. It made it easier to braid your hair since it made it less curly. So it was easier to get around when it comes to braiding your hair. I didn't have no problems with moisturized hair. That was a plus. And my hair was smelling good the whole time. Even when I used the oils that didn't smell as good, after a while, it just smells so good. At all times, even when it's dirty, my hair smells amazing. It made it easier to wash in the shower, wash and condition. And the tangle was so easy. Like I said, tangles was a minimum. It was so easy to wash and get your hair in there. It just made that whole experience much easier. So why aren't you going to just use oils from now on? No, I'm probably going to be doing that like a whole month. You're only using oils as stylers here and there, but not throughout the whole year because again, I miss the styles that I get when my hair is curly. Oils just, in my opinion, just makes my hair less curly, and I miss that curly look. Overall, it was a great experience, an experience that I actually recommend all of you to try for at least a month. I think it'd be really beneficial to you, especially if you like trying to do some treatments in there. You don't have to do the treatments. Just make sure use oils and apply when your hair is warm, okay? As the stylers, whether you're doing different hairstyles such as braid outs or even different hairstyles in the hairstyle, not even overnight hairstyles, okay? If you have any more questions about me using oils for 2 months straight, any more questions about that, leave it down below and I'll answer them. I'm just answering stuff at the top of my head just for the sake of not repeating the last video. Just you guys to see. I just had my little trim. Oh, I still have that V cut. I like V cuts. I will not have a straight cut in the back. I don't think I'll ever like that. But yeah, this is the hair. Thank you so much for watching. Leave your questions down below. Check the previous video and tips that I left in that video down below. Bye guys.